Greetings, community. Happy Tuesday. Let the fun begin. It says, the topic of the day is pour from your overflow. So y'all, we are going to get the water today for our fast. Hello, welcome. The topic of the day is pour from your overflow. Hello, greetings. Thank y'all for joining. Type in the comments what you're grateful for. So today we're going to talk about pouring from your overflow, y'all. So we are getting the water for our fast. We're going to get gallons of water today. So we just got in the grocery store. And we're going to get some water, y'all. And the message of the day is pouring from your overflow. Let me say what I'm grateful for. I'm grateful for water. Picking up water. When y'all come in, type what you're grateful for. So, y'all, so you know how we're in the holiday season, right? And you know how, like everyone's getting gifts and all of that good stuff. But this is just a reminder not to forget about yourself. Because this time of the year is a stressful time of the year for a lot of people. Oh, let me get some milk real quick. I forgot. It's a stressful time of the year for a lot of people, and we gotta give ourselves grace, show ourselves compassion, and we gotta remember to fill up our cups, because we can't pour from an empty cup, y'all. We can't pour from an empty cup. An empty cup is useless. It's only useful when you fill it up, right? And then you can drink, but we want to pour from our overflow. We want to pour from our excess. That means we have more than enough to give. So anytime you're about to make a commitment or agree to do something, before you answer, check in with yourself and ask yourself, can I do this right now? Can I truly do this right now? Am I taken care of? Are my needs currently met right now before I agree to this? That's how you check in with yourself before saying yes or before volunteering or doing anything. You want to make sure that your cup is full at all times. We're getting the water, y'all. Yes. Okay. It's here. Sometimes it's not here all the time. So let me see. Can I flip the camera? All right. So I usually get this water. The crystal geyser, So I'm going to get 10 of these. Because what we doing? We pouring from our overflow. I'm back, y'all. We are going to get 10 because we are preparing for the fast, the liquid fast. We're doing a juice fast. And today, so yesterday I got it mixed up, y'all. I said we were doing process of elimination. Well, we were doing eliminating processed food, but we were actually eliminating recreational, like drugs, alcohol, substance, anything of that nature. That's usually day one of the process elimination day. And then we break it down with the other stuff. So I have to go back and look at it. But nonetheless, how many do I have, y'all? Right now I got... Oh, this one is jacked up. I'm sorry. Are you trying to get... No. Oh, okay. Alright. Let me see how many I got, y'all. We getting water because we're going to pour from our overflow. And this fast is going to help us fill up our cup. It's going to help us reset. 2, 4, 6. 10 total, and that's what we're gonna do. This is a great way to reset. And even if y'all don't fast, just take some time to give your organs a break and take one day to eat lighter, so that you can detox your body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. That's important for our health, y'all. So you see this? Let me flip it. You see this? This is excess. This is how we want to live our life. In overflow. Overflow in self-love. Overflowing with a full cup. A cup overflowing. Making sure that we are taken care of first. That our needs are met first before doing anything else. And during this time, I just want to encourage you to, pardon me, excuse me. I want to encourage you, pardon me, excuse me. No, good. Got a little heavy there, just a little bit. But anyways, we back, y'all. My car started like going all crazy. Anyways, during this time, make sure you check in with yourself and make sure that your cup is filled. And continue to check in with yourself. Be good to yourself during this time. Because I know during this time of the year is rough on a lot of people as well. So give each other compassion, or be compassionate towards one another. Give each other grace. Show grace during this time of the year. You know, a lot of people are a little crabby during this time, especially when you're out and about. So show grace. You know, take the time to just breathe before you curse somebody out. Breathe before you curse them out, you know. Maybe you don't want to curse them out anymore after you breathe, but just breathe nonetheless. So that's it, y'all. We're going to check out. We got our water for the fast, and we're going to get ready. So y'all have a good day. TTYL. You following me?